Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you some ways you can use ChatGPT to increase your sales. I'll be covering some SEO tips, sections that you can add to your website, and ways you can analyze competing brands that are in your niche to see what they're doing right and what's working for them. Let's get straight into the video. The first way that you can use ChatGPT to help you to push your website out there and increase your store sales would be to use ChatGPT to write your website's SEO terms and keywords. On your product page, there are two places where you can put SEO terms and keywords, and that would be your product's title and also your product's description. I'm going to show you just how to get those SEO terms and keywords to help your product rank in the Google search engine. And for a side note, if you do like this website that you see here, this is one of my Shopify theme templates. It's a customizable Shopify theme, which I'm going to link in the description box below. And I also have a variety of other types of Shopify themes, and I'll link where you can check those out in the description box as well. I've opened ChatGPT, and I'm first going to show you guys my prompt. Then I'm going to show you a free way you can find high-performing SEO terms on Google. I'm going to put in my prompt, and this is going to be the prompt to generate a title and a description that is optimized with keywords. So I've asked it to generate a high-converting product description and title, and right under this line of the prompt, this is where I'm going to begin inserting the SEO terms. Since you're asking ChatGPT to write a description, I'd recommend including important details about your product that you would like them to also highlight in the description. Then to get some true high-performing SEO terms, I'll be using a Google search autocomplete method. This method basically means that you're going to start searching for a type of product. For example, if you're selling shoes, you can start searching for comfortable running shoes, and then just take a look at what people are searching. This gives you an idea of exactly what people are searching, and these are the type of terms you want to include in your product description if they relate to your product. I'm going to screenshot these search results, and I'm going to click on one of the search results. When you also scroll to the bottom of the page, you may see a section that shows what people are also searching for. So these are some more searches that you can also use. For example, best women's running shoes for beginners. This is actually a full term that you can add to your product's description. Then back on ChatGPT, I'm going to paste in the different search terms that I have saved on my computer. You want to be sure to include the searches that really relate to your type of product that you're selling so that the terms can flow naturally into your description and your product title. Then I'm going to have ChatGPT generate a title and description. And once that's done, here is the finished text. You can ask ChatGPT if you would like anything changed or if you would like to regenerate it. Then on Shopify, I'm going to apply that text to a product. You want to open products, then you can open up a product. And this is where I'm going to add in the new text. I've added in that new product title. Then I'm pasting in the new description. I noticed that ChatGPT put the search terms in bold. You can remove that if you would like by selecting the text, then removing the bold feature. And don't forget, for your description, you have different editing and formatting options, including you can insert pictures and videos throughout the description. And that's a quick way to optimize your product page title and text for the search engine listing. You can also add SEO term placements to other parts of your website, including any places that would mention your store niche or types of products that you sell. Your About Us text can be a great place to include those SEO terms as well. Also, I know a lot of you guys are brand new to Shopify, and there's a lot to learn when it comes to the Shopify platform. If you're still in the process of learning how to navigate the platform and set up your full Shopify website, I have a Shopify Beginner's training kit. It covers the Shopify setup process in an organized and easy to follow way. A few things the training covers is choosing a domain and learning how to navigate the basics of the platform, adding and organizing products, setting up your store settings like payments, shipping, and taxes. It shows you how to create pages and menus, along with many more topics like your launch prep, Shopify apps, and marketing your store. The training also includes a 30-page digital planner to help you with keeping the overall backend of your store organized. I've designed it so that you can get all your setup information in just one place without having to surf the internet and get your information from dozens of different sources. I'm going to link the training in the description box below. Next, sometimes the best way to improve your brand and scale up is to see what other brands in your niche are doing and what's working for them. You can use ChatGPT to do brand searches and have them recommend competing brands in your niche so that you can take a look at those brands and see what they're doing that's working very well. So here on ChatGPT, I'm going to put in my prompt. And this is a simple prompt to have ChatGPT recommend some different existing brands in a very specific niche. So you can have ChatGPT recommend brands in your same niche, since those may technically be your competitors. Once you get the result, you can decide which brand you're going to take a look at first. I found a website called My Kitchen Gadgets, and I'm going to use a tool to analyze this website and take a look at their top-selling products. I'm using a browser extension called Koala Inspector. This tool allows me to analyze existing stores, take a look at their ad campaigns, website traffic, and even their products. You can see the number of products this brand has listed on their store. And specifically, I'm going to take a look at some of their top-selling products. So this is a list of some of their best-selling items. If you're in a similar niche as the competing brand, you'll definitely want to take a look at what their best-selling products are and what specific niche their best-selling products are. And when you click on a product, you'll see the product's title and even the description in case you would like to analyze any SEO optimized terms and keywords. Koala Inspector's unlimited plan lets you discover winning products that your competitors are selling, and you can even analyze and track the store's website traffic and see their ad campaigns. This can actually allow you in the long term to scale up your store by using proven methods that you've seen high-performing stores already do. I'm going to link where you can get Koala Inspector in the description. And another way you can use ChatGPT to help you improve your website would be to have ChatGPT write your About Us store text or any text that is meant to build trust with your customers. I'm going to show you just how to do this. You want to add in a prompt to have ChatGPT write your About Us text. Make sure to include important details about your brand that you would like mentioned in the About Us text. Then you can ask ChatGPT if you would like any changes made to the text or if you would like it regenerated. Then inside your website, you want to select whichever section you added to feature your About Us text. Then you can just paste in the About Us text. You may have different text editing options, and you might even be able to select specific text and insert a link leading to another page within your website, like if you have a full About Us page, or in case you would like to link any of the text to your contact page. Your brand's About Us text can help customers build a connection and trust with your brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. My Shopify Beginner's Kit will be linked in the description box below, along with where you can grab the Shopify theme shown in this video. I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify themes designed for many different types of business niches. The link for where you can check those out will be in the description box as well.